Mitsubishi Mirage hatchback or Toyota Wigo. Joms, this is gonna be very interesting. Tara, pag-usapan natin. Okay, both of these are really great options for the hatchback segment. Both Japanese brands, subok na, well-reputed Toyota and Mitsubishi. Major difference is of course yung kanilang engine. Toyota Wigo only has 1.0 liter engine while si Mitsubishi Mirage hatchback has a 1.2 liter engine. So dun pa lang, you need to know your priority if it's gonna be power or fuel efficiency. So again, power 1.2 liter for Mirage hatchback. Yun, talagang peace of mind ka doon, lalong-lalo na pagka mga uphill ganon, and then mas may arangkada ka rin, you're gonna have more fun. But on the other hand, si Wigo naman is fuel efficient talaga yan. And I wanna talk a little bit about their wheels as well. Si Wigo is naka 14-inch monotone lang yung kanyang alloy wheels, while si Mirage hatchback is naka 15-inch na may parang dominant na black color yung kanyang rim. So para sa akin, dun pa lang poging-pogi din yung sapatos ni Mirage hatchback. Then pareho lang naman silang naka pole type antenna, hindi sila naka shark fin pareho. So medyo old school nga sila pareho, no? But si Wigo is yung kanyang grab handle is gustong-gusto ko, yung parang ganito na, yung hawakan modern, while si Mirage is pag ganito pa, yung pull up type pa yung kanyang grab handle. Then dito na nga, features. As a person who is really big on features, I think sobrang lamang talaga ni Wigo dito. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, mirroring lang yung kay Mirage hatchback. That's a big downside in a modern day, you know. And then meron din siyang rear sensors, rear camera, and then hill start assist. So yun, major factors yun sa features para sa akin. And si Mirage hatchback is unfortunately, if I'm not mistaken, wala siya ng mga features na yun. Ayun lang talaga, when it comes to the overall feel package, I personally think that yung mga features na nabanggit ko is pwede naman yung gawa ng paraan, except yung hill start assist. You need to really hone your skill as a driver. Medyo inconvenient yung wala siyang stopper, no, pag nasa mga ahonan. But aside from the hill start assist, I think I can live with the features. And then overall, I think I'll really have more fun with Mirage hatchback. I just really like it better how it looks, yung overall na tindig niya compared to Toyota Wigo. So again, kung ako lang, I think I'll be happier with Mirage hatchback, and that's the one I'll be choosing. So sana nakatulong. Check my hatchback playlist on YouTube. See you there.